This is a demonstration of the Agile Font program. This is an open source project management software, and I found it to be very helpful in taking a large project and breaking it down into smaller tasks. It makes it very easy to organize those tasks and to keep track of what you're doing. It's also set up to collaborate with other people, but for this project I'm not actually collaborating with anyone at this time. And some features I wanted to point out, if you look at the top menu bar up here. Here on the right, there's a green square with a white plus sign, and that is where content gets added. So that's pretty consistent throughout this website. Whenever you want to add, you look for the green box. And we come over to the left side, and here we organize our stories. So projects are called stories, and if I had multiple, they would be listed down on the screen. And the task option on this page lists all the open tasks that are ready to be started and worked on. And context lets you know where in your projects to find those. And it lets you know who created them and who's working on them. And the next page I want to click on here is called Backlogs. And this is where it shows the stories and the projects that you're working on. So I've created the main project, which I've called ePortfolio, and here I've created all the elements of my professional portfolio project, and I'm organizing the artifacts and the details of the portfolio. So it opens up here on the story tree, and it breaks out the main items. And these letters, there's different colors and letters. If you were to click on one of these, it opens up and you have the option to choose the different statuses here. So I've got some that are not started, some that are in progress, and hopefully soon I will have some that are showing ready. If you click on the details, I've just added just a brief description of what I was doing. This is really intended if you're working with people so they can come in and see where you're at and what you're doing. And actions, here you would have the option to delete a product if you decided you don't like it after all or you want to change it. I'll go back to the story tree and come down here and you just click on the main title, and then this box opens up, which if you scroll down in it, it's where you can list your individual tasks. And so here I could break out the different standards and the items I need for them. And down below here is where I can attach files and additional material to that specific item. So if I open up my Finder, it's very easy. I can just grab my document here, take it, and drop it into the box, and it will automatically upload for me. And then the other part of the portfolio is the actual website. So I've created a second iteration here of the main project. And it's a slightly smaller tree, and it's very similar, and it is connected to the main tree. But in here, as I come in, the tasks are more about building the website. And again, I have the options to drag documents over. And now here on the menu board, there are some additional options. Leaf stories. This is nice. It breaks everything down a little bit more clear and gives you additional information. You can assign points and values. You can assign it to people, and you can see how many tasks are under each individual item. Under details, you can set your start date and end date, and again, just keep up, add descriptions, and keep it organized. And then I'm going to come down really quick here to boards, which is in the bottom lower left corner. And under here, I've added portfolio elements. This is just another visualization of the different tasks and the elements of the portfolio project. You can add rows and columns. And so here I've made the artifacts into rows and added them to the columns, which are the pages of my website. So that is just a very brief overview of Agile Font. It's, again, very easy to use, and I've enjoyed how well it helps break the bigger tasks into the smaller task items. Thank you for your time.